Wow! Fucking noob tubing faggot ass out of here. Oh, bullshit! Oh, I knifed you. Oh, no. Whoop. Bridge.
Wow, Randy. Bro. Damn, my teammate's been killing me more than that. Flashbang more by my team. Like, you guys fucking suck.
On, dudes.
Oh shit!
Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Come on!
Bomb dropped.
You faggot, you.
Good job, squad. Get ready for the next round.
Is that a tubing final kill? Oh, you're cool. Look at this epic kill cam. Oh my god. Oh. 360 no scope through a wall.
Hostiles have hacked your equipment.
Oh, it's cool. Noob tube.
Wow, that's
God,
fucking
Noob tube
retarded.
is such a pussy. Who the fuck noob tubes, man?
Oh, what the fuck?
You guys suck.
Oh, this guy's noob tubing.
What is
Suck
that?
that bad.
How does that guy keep camping right there? I kill him every time. I don't know why he keeps going back for more deaths.
The kid with the noob tube's a bitch. Yep, it's Randy the robot.
What about him?
Just a stupid little bitch. He's just using a stupid noob tube.
Oh, that's who's using it?
Yeah.
I just killed him. He didn't have a chance to noob tube me.
Yeah, so you killed me again.
Dude, that Randy dude is fucking retarded.
Yeah, I know.
He's so terrible.
I finally killed him.
Wow! Fucking noob tubing faggot ass out of here. I knew I was gonna kill you. A shock charge. Dude, kill that noob tubing faggot!
It's gonna be so bad, it's like sticking road flares up people's ass.
Dude, is that noob tube dude for real?
Yeah. Must be, dude, because he's so good, dude. Nobody can beat him.
Wow, that fucking noob tubing faggot!
Randy the robot. Randy the robot. It's Randy the robot. Everybody hates him.